Hello everyone, this is me Aryan speaking from Slate by Cresta, a campus specially designed for communication and fashion management students. Now I have been allotted to take you around the campus, so please feel free to join me. So these are our makeup rooms right here where sorry madam. So these are our makeup rooms right here where fashion management students get all ready and be super ready for all their fashion shows. Now if you guys follow me up here, you guys see this beautiful ramp and this super long huge mirror. What else do you need to be perfect in your ramp walk? Now if you guys follow me towards the entrance of Slate, you guys will see a very pretty admin right here. Now let's walk towards the classrooms where our students are getting educated by one and only Kirtan sir right here. Now let's walk towards the other classes. Now this is one of my super favorite classes right here. Now if you guys are gonna ask why, see for yourself. This is called the blue room, everyone. As you guys can see, we have amazing view. Also the seating arrangements mainly focuses on discussions and strategy building. Now if you guys follow me here, this is the teachers hub, where teachers mainly focus on theoretical and also practical sessions. So our students can have the best of both worlds. Now let me take you to the more fun, interesting side of Slate by Cresta, the practical studios. So this is our very own recording lab. Follow me, I'll show you guys. So this is a full soundproof room made for us communication and media management students. So we can record videos and podcasts here. So once you are done recording videos, you definitely need a room to edit. So we have the media room right here, which is powered by Apple Macintosh. Follow me guys. So as you guys can see, students are working on various projects here. Guys, can we get a hi? Hello. Now let's walk towards the last practical lab, which is made for our textile and fashion management students. It's also called the Textile Lab. Over here, students learn the in and outs of all the fashion management topics and also draping. Guys, can we get a hi? They learn various topics here, which specially focuses on all the fashion management topics. Now let's walk towards our last, also one of the biggest and the best classes I've ever seen, which is the white room. The view is definitely the USP of this room. Most of the theoretical sessions happen here. We have the smart board, we have lovely professors. Hi guys! It's always a blessing to be a part of a campus like this. We have the best of amenities, great faculty, a lot of good friends, and all of this comes together and we can plan great events throughout the semester. Now that we plan events, we have a lot of fun, we learn a lot more about management. See you. So this is me, Aryan Kumar from 3rd Sem BBA, signing off. Hope to see you guys here next year very soon so that we can have a lot of fun, enjoy college life and plan such great events that Mysore has never seen before.